Hello and good day everyone. Here I stand before you as second year college section B3 student taking the course of Doctor of Veterinary Medicine in Southwestern University. So I, G. Labandia Mulig is here in regards to talk about my progression report, about my fitness journey as well as my trainees fitness journey too. So now let us begin to the overview of the first stage of our fitness journey, which is the module 1 stage itself. So our fitness journey in regards to module 1 was a bit exhilarating that we tried to seek out each other's medical conditions that are seem to be present in our current lifestyle. My trainee didn't face any difficulties cooperating with my desired activities in the stage, except that only I was having a hard time doing my separate activity due to having less time to do it because of the major subjects activities. So while in the next stage, in regards with module 2 and 3, my trainee and I were in a tight spot because both of us were very busy with each other's life, and that it was a difficult time for the both of us, having less time to communicate with one another, but still we did our best just to finish the task even if it was very late. So in the next stage, which is module 4, we both have the time to communicate with each other in order to decide the type of exercise that my trainee will be suited to do and are easy for him to execute, which it was a success planning. So may I say that that planning was kind of like a success because I was able to communicate with my trainee in regards to what exercise what his exercise prescription will be about. So while me on the other hand, I still have a hard time doing my own part, which is the Tabata workout, due to being very busy most of the time trying to pass the major subject, but still I just barely passed the two other major subjects, and that currently I am working on the other two, which is kind of very hard. So moving on in the last stage, which is module 5 and module 6, we were able to comply with some of the activities, and it was very hard for me to even contact my trainee because we lost contact with one another due to him being very busy with his school life, while I also became very busy lately. That I even didn't submit two of my activities because I ran out of time. Even though my teacher gave us a lot of time to submit it, I was not able to comply because of being stressed out with the other major subjects, that I even started to think about shifting to another school or changing course due to this because I have become unsight with the lot of activities in this time. But still I try to think positive, and that I was finally able to contact my trainee, and he then did his part of the activities while me on the other hand failed to comply with the other two activities at the end. So that in the current status we have faced a lot of hardships with complying to the activities due to our private life, but still made some final touches and were able to face the issues independently. So in general conclusion, this is the whole overview of our fitness journey, and that would be all. Thank you.